Mainit pa ring pinag-uusapan sa social media ang viral screenshots na ibinandera ni Jam Villanueva, ang ex-girlfriend ni Anthony Jennings. Habang marami ang naawa at nagpakita ng suporta kay Jam dahil sa panloloko umano ng aktor at ng ka-love team nito na si Maris Racal, ibinandera naman ng entertainment lawyer na si Attorney Jesus Falsis ang ilang peligro sa ginawang pagpo-post ni Jam recently. Ayon sa kanya, kahit dati pa ay marami na ang nagtatanong sa kanya kung ano ang legal na paraan upang i-post at i-share ang isang pribadong pag-uusap. I have always told them that there is such a thing called as the right to privacy. Even cheaters have human rights, say niya sa isang Facebook post. Paliwanag pa niya, the National Privacy Commission, NPC, clarified in a 2020 advisory opinion that the Data Privacy Act applies to screenshots if they reveal the identities of those involved. It is worthy to note that the processing, sending out the screenshot to another person, will only come under the scope of the DPA if personal data is indeed involved. If the conversation, screenshot itself, allows for the identification of the parties. If it is simply the content of the conversation, with names and other identities redacted or cropped out of the screenshot, it might not be within the scope of the DPA. Kaya kahit biktima raw ng panloloko, ang pagbabandera ng screenshots ay maaaring magdulot ng mabigat na parusa, katulad ng kasong cyber libel at paglabag sa data privacy. So ano ba ang tama at dapat gawin? Yan ay inisa-isa ni Attorney Falsis sa kanyang FB. At heto ang ilang tips niya. Well, you should still take screenshots as evidence of cheating or an affair, especially if you're married. Then, what you should do is instead of posting on social media, is to file a VAW violence against women case, psychological violence caused by infidelity. And if you're a public figure or celebrity, let the media report or cover it. Then you'll get the publicity you wanted anyway without the legal liabilities for cyber libel and data privacy. Nabanggit din niya na ang mga screenshot kaugnay sa pangangaliwa ay pwedeng ihain sa korte bilang ebidensya. When you present the screenshots as evidence in court, that's when the Supreme Court ruling will apply, that taking screenshots of private conversation is not a violation of the right to privacy when used as evidence in a criminal case. Pagbabahagi ng abogado. Kasunod niyan ay ang kanyang personal na opinyon. Leaking the screenshots of Maris Racal and Anthony Jennings through social media is the slut-shaming of Maris Racal because of her supposed thirst-trap, hungry messages. Look what statements have gone viral. Try to for messages from Maris Racal and only one, barely viral, from Anthony Jennings, about him disgustingly using method acting as justification. Giit niya, cheating is bad. But so is misogyny, enabled by violating the right to privacy. Victims have human rights, but vindicating your rights should not make more victims. Dagdag pa ni Attorney Falsis. Pagbibigay diin din niya, even cheaters have human rights. Magugunitang inilantad ni Jam sa pamamagitan ng Instagram stories ang ilang masiselang screenshots ng pag-uusap ng aktor at ka-love team nito na si Maris Racal. Base sa serye ng posts, nagsimula ito sa di umano'y nais lang ni Anthony na pakisamahan si Maris dahil mayroon itong personal na problema at ayaw lang nitong makaapekto ito sa kanilang trabaho. Hanggang sa ginagamit lang raw nito ang method acting para sa mas ikagaganda ng kanilang mga eksena. Mayroon ring parte ng screenshots kung saan nag-text si Maris ng "It was hot" kay Anthony na tumutukoy sa umano'y pag-make out nila sa CR matapos ang isang party. May ilan pang mga masiselan na palitan ng mensahe sa pagitan ng dalawa at may pa, "I love you" pa nga dahil sa mga pasabog ni Jam. Naglabas ng official statement ang legal counsel ng ABS-CBN Star Magic na si Attorney Joji Alonso at tila may babala na posibleng magsampa ng kaso ang dalawang artista laban sa ex ni Anthony na si Jam Villanueva. Kung ang abogado at film producer na si Joji Villanueva Alonso ang tatanungin, ay walang nagawang krimen sina Maris Racal at Anthony Jennings. Pero, dagdag ni Alonso, maaari nilang kasuhan ang ex-girlfriend ni Jennings na si Jamela Villanueva ng cyber libel at paglabag sa data privacy. Assuming that all the screenshots are legit, the fact remains that Maris and Anthony have committed no crime. Their actions may be regarded as morally wrong, but they were never married to their respective partners, paliwanag ng abogado. Jamela, on the other hand, may have committed at least two crimes with her actions: cyber libel and violation of data privacy. Dugtong niya. Punto pa ni Alonso, she cannot hide her actions under the guise of moving on. Yes, she may have experienced pain and betrayal, but this does not give her the license to violate the law. Kaya naman ganun na lang ang pangungumbinsi ng mga fans ni Maris na sampahan ng mga kaso si Jam. Dahil rin sa kontrobersya, isa-isa na ngayon nawawala ang mga endorser si Maris Racal, gaya ng Dazzle Me Philippines, kung saan inanunsiyo nila ngayong araw na tinanggal na si Maris Racal bilang endorser. Ayon sa kanilang opisyal na pahayag, at Dazzle Me, we have always been about inclusivity, authenticity, and making the right choices, even when they're tough or uncomfortable. The brand then continued that, after much thoughtful consideration, they had made the difficult decision to end the partnership with the Kapamilya star. After thoughtful consideration, we have made the difficult decision to end our partnership with Maris Racal. Working with her has been an amazing journey. Her energy, humor, and authenticity resonated deeply with our vision of a bold and inspiring Gen Z icon. However, we determined that moving in a different direction is necessary to remain consistent with the principles that guide our brand, Dazzle Me said in an official statement online. Earlier, in September of this year, Dazzle Me announced Maris as its first ever brand ambassador. Ang pagkawala ng mga trabaho ni Maris ay isa lang sa implikasyon sa mga ginawa ni Jam Villanueva kay Maris Racal.